Yo. Welcome back to the channel. It's Michael on EURUSD, and this is episode 4 of the Technical Thursday. And I thank you all for the support. Thank you all for the likes. Thank you all for the ones that subscribed. Thank you. And let's just get straight to it. So, interesting times in the market. This week has been very, very interesting. Yes, interesting. Very interesting because a lot happened in pound Aussie and GBPAUD and EURUSD too. A lot has happened in this place. Okay, back to the Discord community where I share all these trades. So if you want to keep up with this whole technical Thursdays of the trades I take and when I take this trade exactly, you can join the community. So I posted the last technical Tuesday ended with this when I was discussing about this EURUSD loss, this range loss here that I incurred. Then I think on Friday I saw another short opportunity on pound Aussie where I had a just minor sell in the range that I talked about. Yes, I had this sell play out and it played out very nice. So I saw this position on Thursday and I banked on it right after that Thursday. And this week we've had EU position, euro dollar longs on Monday, nice longing opportunity, hit take profits. Then had a loss on pound Aussie yesterday. Then today, currently right now, this is the current trade we are in right now. EURUSD longs back to that resistance level now. This is the current position we are now. So let's just talk about all this. So on EURUSD, first pound Aussie. I think that's a trade now I should talk more of. Yes, because last week, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame. That's why I said pound Aussie has been very, very interesting because this exact thing it did right now. I'm so happy that it did because at least I could forecast the long-term move of this. But first off, the trade position I had taken was taking a sell off of this supply area here as market taps into this region here. Then on engulfing, I had seen a shorting opportunity. Yes, I had my short opportunity here. And I entered the short around there because of the weak rejections I saw there, and I aimed the 1-3 risk to reward ratio. Yes, 1-3. Just a very short trade because it was on a Friday afternoon. That was Friday New York session, so I wanted to be very swift with this trade. I just needed it to just play out with that NY push or that NY momentum, right? So this was a trade we banked up. So last week I had after the EURUSD loss, then I had this win. So it was a very nice week in general. So the other trade I entered was this sell here. This was yesterday. Tried giving us some profit, then it smashed through above all. So yes, if you want to follow more of this, you can check back the previous videos when I talked about a change in trend of pound Aussie from this support area, because this was a key level here. But with this key level, price had to trend. Price came range for some days. Yeah, let's say a week plus, because it ranged for more than 30, for more than 7 or 5 trading days. So after this ranging that happened here, you can see now how price just impulsively went and broke all the highs and just changing market structure and direction there. I initially thought that it was going to end. Here, this first target. Then we have some pullback focus, but look at how explosive it is right now. On pound Aussie, you can see that it has broken through this range I started creating here, but in that range we took some longs. Yes, so you can see that in that range where I talked about when it was going to enter the range after the sell, shorting opportunity, longing opportunity, another shorting opportunity. So in this range I took 3 trades. Okay, I took 4 trades, which were 3 were winners and had a loss. This was just the only trade I lost in this range, right? Now you can see the change in direction, or the change in structure of this trade. So what should you be looking at now on pound Aussie? On pound Aussie now, right now we should be looking at nice lower high regions where price could react from, form either supply and demand areas in that area, then we can continue the trend. Right now you can see that the first level, the first zone here has been breached. Then we should be looking at this previous level here. If this lower high region it's not respected, so we should be looking at these other regions around here of price testing to this area. You can see how impulsive this long the bulls are. You can see how impulsive it is. Same thing when the bears come in, it could be same thing or at least close to. So we should be expecting some pullbacks in this region. So but first off, you can't just jump into the market. It's not yet safe. It's not yet safe for you to conclude right now on what to do on pound Aussie. But first off, today is Thursday, maybe Friday tomorrow, then Monday maybe next week, Monday next week, then we can decide what to do on this pair. But currently now the buyers are just ruling the market right now, so we have to wait for time to see a nice pullback, formation of a supply area, then price trading back to that supply area. Then we have a sell opportunity or a sell position, anyone as a pullback, then probably targeting lower previous lower high regions where price could just tend to just use as support, right? So GBPAUD, I'm so happy right now because this actually played out the way I really wanted to play. I wanted it to play out, because taking another sell here was just going to delay the breakout, but this just showed me, okay, it's tired of this range and might need to move up, and it busted everything and kept on going up. So in this whole range, I took 4 trades. A short, a first short, a long, a short again, and tried shorting again. So 4 trades and 3 were winners, and that's very okay with the range. So wait for another minor range to come to the market before we can have a sell opportunity or a longing opportunity, whichever one. So but if you want to know when I'm taking these trades and times I'll take these trades, you can join the Discord community, because that's where I really interact with the whole technical Thursdays, right? So that's that for pound Aussie. The Euro USD, very interesting. So USD charts has been very it's been funny for the past, like, I won't lie, because I don't understand how a market will just sell in that same session, then more massive impulsive move to the downside or opposite direction. So this is what happened on Monday. We saw this nice band created here. We saw this nice demand area created here. And what do market do? Market always respects supply and demand areas. Like, it moves bargain price, premium price, all these things. It respects it a lot. But what you have to do is know when to enter and know how to manage this. So I spoke about how markets has been ranging. If I go back to my Notion, you will see how the trades I've entered in euro dollar has been ranging. I entered the trade, the last loss I had on euro dollar was the range to hit me out, this range here, this whole range. And even before now, this whole range was the last range it gave me before it really hit my stop loss. Then this was another range that happened also before a sell, right? So euro dollar has been ranging. I was feeling this is getting very, 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 very common with the euro dollar right now. So I had this sell opportunity upon retesting of this region here. So after market retested that region, I entered, I think on this candle, yes, on engulfing that candle, kept stops below this low, yes, around $22. Around, yes, I had 1 to, yes, something like this, and just a 1 to 3 risk to reward, 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. And we just saw how markets are ranging. It ranged like for the whole session. Then pre-New York session, then it smashed the take profit. Then exactly where my RTP was, that's where it just collapsed from. Like, very crazy. And yesterday we had this massive move to the upside and also this massive move to the downside, right? But yesterday the CPI data came out, and that was what induced everything, right? I was planning to sell EURUSD, but because of the news made this spike create this high, and it was very, very scary. So I had to stay off the market. Then you can see this short, but okay, fine. After missing the shorts, look for another opportunity for where we can see longs, right? You can look for other opportunities where we could see longs, and this is the longing opportunity now we saw after this range here entered on this candle. Then we can see market has moved nice, almost 1 to 2. Yes, it has moved almost 1 to 2, but it's playing out nice. This is 12:29 my time. This is, and also 11:29 the UK time. So there's a lot of time for this pair or this trade to play out. So this is the whole trade setup I am in currently. Because if you check the trading journal, this month has been likely one, because I've taken 9 trades and 3 are already winners and 3 are losers, and 6 wins already. So this is very, very okay for a month. This is very okay for a month, because I just aim taking 10 trades in a month. That's just my target for every month, 10 trades in a month. And that's very okay for me, because if I take 10 trades in a month, in 10 months I've taken 100 trades, which is numerous. And 10 trades a month is just my target. So that's where I am in currently. You can see that EURUSD now is sitting on a range. This whole range here is sitting on this whole range here. So we are, as I said, when you see ranges, just try and take longing opportunities or shorting opportunities from those minor range before they break up, because when it ranges, it gives a lot of opportunities for you to enter, buy and sell. That's what you just need in the market, right? So upon breaking out, price coming to break this region, then we have to change our decision and look for other trade opportunity, because here was where we're looking to sell from, but it broke through it and we are trading on another region. So it's just basic price action and basic market structure. So we're currently, I'm currently in this long opportunity in EURUSD and pound Aussie. I took a trade yesterday on pound Aussie, which was a loser, and now I'm just waiting for pound Aussie to print out itself and tell me what exactly it wants to do before I have a say on the pair, right? So that's that for today's video, and I'll catch you all in the next Technical Thursday. Remember, trade safe. The best traders always manage their risks. The best traders stick to their plan. The best traders trust their analysis. So I'll catch you all in the next.